Yun, so a different kind of point of view for a cap review, no? We're gonna discuss about this latest release barcode from New Era Philippines anniversary cap. Okay, to start, it comes with this free cap bite, and simplistic approach as this may be, the front panel looks like it's rubberized. Okay, this particular detail for the cap is rubberized, I might say, stitched together, and at the back you see it's already where all the details are, but from the front you can simply have this, and then just a typical side flag color matching the black and white colorway for this, and there's no detail at the back. So much of the detail is at the back, rather on the inside and under. So as you can see, this one, New Era Paradise, is embroidered. It looks flat for me. The embroidery is flat, not much of a raised embroidery for this one, and it has it's like a banner. This one in particular can also be seen in the hoodie and the t-shirt, okay, that comes along with it. So for this cap, you can see that it's made in China and has the, I think this will be significant for future releases, kind of tag, okay, the New Era Philippines barcode. And what we can see here from from the inside panel is, I think, all those cities where famous landmarks and where they have their branches. So in Boracay, this one is in Baguio, City of Pines. This one is in Cebu, where you can see Lapu-Lapu's monument. And then this one is in Manila, of course. You see there, why do I have this barcode? Anyway, so, and then this one is in Davao. You cannot see much of the landmark there, but just with the mountain or a hill. And then this one, the last one, it will be the Siargao. Okay. So other than that, if you want to know, the fitting is quite TTS for me, and I would say okay. And to mention, this one costs 3,495. It comes along with the anniversary boxes for this year, the white boxes. And as discussed, you will have the special white box that comes along with it. This also is available with the Beltes 5 release. It's the same white box, but it has, the only difference they will be giving you is this black sleeve. Okay, this as I mentioned before, on the cap you will see this, but within this entirety you will get it with the shirt, exclusive event shirt, and hoodie. So you get this detail in the hoodie, and it's just a typical sleeve, but it comes along with a special box. Okay, for those of you who are wondering if you're gonna get this, if you get a hookup from me, the choice is yours. It weighs more than 500 grams all in, and then it would really be heavy for you to have it shipped. So that's about it. You can simply open the box, and then you get your cap as well, and you can have it stored properly if you just fold it. Okay, so easy as this, and that's it. Thank you for watching.